Welcome to Forestry Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of skilled excavator operations in extreme conditions. These heavy machines may look indestructible, but operating them in tough environments like swamps, mines, snowy mountains, and flood zones takes unmatched precision, creativity, and nerves of steel. Let's explore how these operators and their machines tackle the most challenging tasks you can imagine. Next, we're heading to the snowy peaks, where excavators are used to clear avalanches. Imagine working in freezing conditions, surrounded by snow and ice. One wrong move and the operator could trigger another avalanche or lose control of the machine on an icy slope. Yet these experts handle it with ease, carefully slicing through snowbanks and clearing blocked mountain roads to restore access for vehicles. The versatility of these machines in extreme cold is nothing short of impressive. Now, let's talk about mining. Excavators in this industry face some of the toughest terrain-sharp rocks, uneven ground, and constant wear on machinery. In massive open-pit mines, operators dig through layers of earth with precision, carefully extracting materials like coal and minerals. These aren't your average backyard diggers. These are giants, with buckets large enough to scoop up a small car. Watching them work is like seeing raw power combined with surgical precision. In flood zones, the stakes are even higher. Waterlogged areas present unique challenges: unstable ground, hidden debris, and strong currents. Excavators are called in to reinforce riverbanks, remove obstacles, and even rescue stranded vehicles or people. Operators must rely on their skill and intuition to control the machine in such unpredictable conditions. It's a high-pressure job, but these professionals make it look effortless. Finally, let's look at how excavators contribute to heavy load transportation. Imagine a broken down truck on a steep hill. Instead of bringing in a tow truck, a nearby bulldozer operator uses creative problem solving to attach a cable to the excavator. The excavator acts as an anchor, providing the stability needed to pull the truck uphill safely. This kind of teamwork and ingenuity is what makes these operations successful. It's not just about brute force. It's about understanding the limits of the machine and using it in innovative ways. First, let's talk about fire hazards. Imagine working in a bone-dry area where the smallest spark can set off a blaze. Excavators used in these conditions are equipped with fire suppression systems and thermal sensors to detect overheating parts. Operators are trained to identify risk factors, such as vegetation buildup around the machinery or excessive friction during operation. One memorable example is a team that successfully prevented a fire by shutting down operations and cooling the equipment just in time. It's a reminder that awareness and preparation can make all the difference. Next, let's look at the dangers of overloading. Excavators are engineered with load limits for a reason, but in high-pressure situations, operators may be tempted to push those limits. One wrong move, and the machine could tip over or break down. Modern excavators come with load monitoring systems that alert operators when they're nearing dangerous thresholds. A great example is a mining operation where an operator used these systems to avoid overloading, even while moving mass. Operating on unstable terrain, whether it's soft mud, shifting sands, or rocky slow pieces, another major challenge. These conditions require not only experienced operators, but also specialized equipment. Excavators often use wide tracks to distribute weight evenly and maintain stability. In one project, a team working in a landslide-prone area used GPS-guided excavators to precisely maneuver without destabilizing the ground further. It's incredible to see how technology and expertise combine to ensure safety in such unpredictable environments. Now let's highlight some of the ingenious engineering solutions used in emergencies. Picture this. A bridge collapses, and the only way to transport critical supplies is through a narrow makeshift road. Engineers modified a standard excavator with reinforced stabilizers and a counterweight system to safely carry heavy materials across the unstable path. In another instance, a custom-built attachment allowed an excavator to reach and remove debris blocking a flooded river channel, preventing further damage downstream. These examples show how innovation and adaptability are key to overcoming even the most daunting challenges. Safety doesn't happen by accident, it's the result of extensive training and seamless teamwork. Operators spend hundreds of hours mastering the intricacies of their machines and learning how to handle emergencies. On the ground, spotters and support crews work in tandem to ensure operations run smoothly. In one project, A team successfully lifted a toppled crane off unstable ground thanks to their flawless communication and adherence to safety protocols. It's a powerful reminder that behind every successful operation is a team that puts safety first. From fire hazards to unstable terrain, safety is the foundation of every operation, no matter how extreme the conditions. Combined with innovative engineering solutions, it's what enables teams to tackle even the toughest challenges. Here at Forestry Tech, we celebrate the expertise, creativity, and dedication that make these feats possible. If you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to subscribe to Forestry Tech for more stories of heavy machinery, extreme operations, and the people who make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.